How to make no one can watch your liked videos on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can watch your liked videos on TikTok mobile. First thing, click the storylines and now click profile and then click the storylines in the top corner and click settings and privacy, and here you will find privacy and privacy and scroll down until you find liked videos, and you will find it like that. Just click only me and go back, it will be saved, and that's how to make it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.